At this very moment, an object that has journeyed through space for 7 billion years is making its way through our solar system. It contains the essential components capable of fostering life, emits a glow that our eyes cannot perceive, and is revealing secrets from a world we will never witness. This object is known as Atlas, and the recent discoveries we've made about it are transforming our comprehension of the universe. For the first time in history, X-rays from an interstellar object have been detected. Using the Extend telescope, Japanese scientists captured something remarkable: a brilliant cloud of X-rays spreading 400,000 kilometers around the nucleus of Atlas. To put this scale into perspective, this distance exceeds the gap from Earth to the Moon. Picture an aura, invisible to our sight yet detectable by specialized instruments, enveloping this cosmic visitor entirely. The previous two interstellar objects, Oumuamua and 2I Borisov, never emitted detectable X-rays, but Atlas stands apart. It boasts a colossal halo of gas and dust that interacts with the solar wind, producing this unique glow. It's as if each interstellar object has its distinctive personality, and Atlas chose to reveal itself in a spectacular manner. Now, there's the sun issue. There's a critical guideline for all space telescopes: never gaze directly at the sun. Doing so is akin to trying to photograph someone standing directly beneath a spotlight. It could damage your equipment. This restricted area kept renowned telescopes like Hubble and James Webb from observing Atlas when it was closest to the sun, which was an agonizing wait for scientists. During the marathon observation, scientists achieved something remarkable. They conducted an uninterrupted 17 hours of observation, meticulously tracking the object's movement through the constellation Virgo. Throughout this observational marathon, they noted that the glow occurs as solar wind particles, continually ejected by the sun, collide with the gas cloud of the comet. Imagine blowing soap bubbles that shimmer with unique colors. In the Chilean desert, the ALMA telescope array made a captivating discovery by detecting methanol and hydrogen cyanide in Atlas. Before you become alarmed by these terms, let me clarify. These fundamental molecules serve as essential building blocks for more complex chemical processes, capable of leading to the emergence of life. The most thrilling part is this: finding these molecules in a visitor from another solar system indicates that the essentials for life aren't confined to Earth. They traverse the galaxy, moving from one stellar system to another. It's akin to discovering that the fundamental recipe for life is universal. The same ingredients exist in varying cosmic kitchens. Scientists observed something intriguing. As Atlas neared the sun, production of hydrogen cyanide diminished while methanol increased. It's as if the comet has two distinct chemical faucets that respond differently to the sun's heat. Finally, on November 30th, the moment arrived. Atlas exited the forbidden zone, allowing Hubble to capture its image. Even at that point, they were still separated by 286 million kilometers, nearly double the distance from Earth to the sun. However, that image was just the start. Hubble gathered ultraviolet spectroscopy data yet to be released, which promises to uncover more chemical secrets about this cosmic visitor. One particularly fascinating story involves the JUICE probe en route to Jupiter. By sheer chance, it found itself in the perfect location at the perfect time to observe Atlas using 5 different instruments. However, the probe is using its primary antenna as a sunshield to protect itself from heat during its journey, meaning it could only transmit data at a very slow rate, like having dial-up internet rather than fiber optics. The silver lining is that, in February 2026, we'll receive all the collected data, including higher resolution images and detailed analyses. You may have noticed that sometimes, photographs of Atlas taken by amateur astronomers appear more striking than those captured by space agencies. This doesn't imply that amateurs are superior. Rather, it means they are employing the appropriate tools. It's like comparing a microscope to a magnifying glass. The microscope may be more advanced, but when you want to examine a complete leaf, the magnifying glass might serve your purpose better. The ExoMars mission has succeeded in photographing Atlas, albeit with less impressive results. Nonetheless, what's remarkable is that the comet is 50,000 times dimmer than the surface of Mars, which the camera was designed for, akin to using a camera meant for photographing the sun to capture a candle flame kilometers away. The very fact that it was successful is an engineering feat. Where did Atlas originate? Recent research indicates that it may have passed near 25 known stars over the last 10 million years. While early hominids on Earth were starting to walk upright, this comet was already traversing space. Chemical analyses suggest that it formed beyond the iceline of its original stellar region, so frigid that water remains frozen as ice. It's as if it was born in the cosmic freezer of another solar system. The mystery surrounding its ejection lingers. We are yet to ascertain what caused Atlas to be expelled from its original home. Theories range from a close encounter with another star to the gravitational influence of a massive planet, or perhaps a dramatic cosmic event we have yet to comprehend. It's akin to trying to uncover the reasons behind someone moving cities millions of years ago. Without any records, Atlas will make its closest approach to Earth on December 19th. passing at 170 million kilometers greater than the distance between the Earth and the Sun. In cosmic terms, that's close, yet still too far to observe with the naked eye. In March, it will come even nearer to Jupiter, at just 33 million kilometers. The Juno probe will have a unique opportunity to study it up close. And the James Webb Telescope has also exited the Forbidden Zone and will soon provide new images. Numerous other space missions have successfully photographed the comet, including Chinese and European probes. Creating an unparalleled scientific archive, consider this. Atlas has traveled through space for 7 billion years. At the beginning of its journey, our solar system was still in formation, and Earth was a young planet void of complex life. Throughout this extensive time, it wandered alone in the interstellar void, passing by other stars, witnessing the birth and death of solar systems while carrying the ingredients that might have contributed to life, establishing on other worlds. Now, after this memorable journey, it encounters a technological civilization that not only detects it, but also commits immense resources to study and comprehend it. We are akin to explorers meeting an ancient traveler bearing stories from distant realms. Every detected molecule, each captured image, and every data point collected is like a page from the longest travel diary ever written. Atlas illustrates that the building blocks of life are common and traverse among the stars. Our technology has advanced to a stage where we can examine guests from other worlds. We are not isolated. We are a part of a galactic network of chemical exchanges. Each breakthrough brings us closer to understanding our role in the cosmos. The next time you gaze at the night sky, keep in mind that there could be other interstellar travelers passing by unnoticed in our cosmic neighborhood. Some of them carrying even older tales, more exotic components, and secrets we can scarcely imagine. Atlas is merely the third interstellar visitor we have successfully detected. How many others have gone unnoticed? How many are en route? And what wisdom will they impart about the remarkable interconnectedness of the universe? We are currently experiencing a golden age of astronomy where each new finding edges us closer to grasping that we are part of something much grander, a cosmic network of matter, energy, and potentially life that binds all the stars within the galaxy.